Hey guys, Rick Melero here again, and as you guys know, we have been talking specifically about multiple strategies that you can implement in the US. And most importantly, as we've talked about, the key here is diversification. So you've seen strategies regarding fix and flips, rental properties that are long-term investments, commercial. We talk about a host of strategies, but one of my favorite strategies is being able to have the opportunity to also do ground-up construction projects because it opens so many opportunities for investors. And today, I'm here with my friend and builder, John, a reputable builder friend of mine that he's going to talk in just a minute about what he does and what he specializes in as a construction builder. And what's beautiful about this strategy, guys, is that not only can you build to sell, but you can also build to hold and begin to use the strategy of short-term rental. So with that said, John, why don't you share a little bit about your company, what you guys do, and kind of what separates you, and then we'll start talking about some of the strategies we're implementing together.
Yep. So we're ICN Homes, and you can find us at ICNHomes.com. We're very happy to be partnering with Rick and the team on multiple projects. We're focused in 3 of our communities on the short-term rental investor market. In and around Disney World, we're an approved builder in Reunion. So we have lots of building going on, and you'll see some of that on the film. We're also in Anna Maria Island on the west coast of Florida. We're building beach houses, so that's a great segment for the rental income buyer. And then Asheville, North Carolina, we're building mountain homes that you can do as a rental home. So we're plugged into mountain, beaches, and Disney World. So
that's awesome.
That's diversification and focus on where people are going.
Absolutely. I mean, that was one of the key points you just mentioned there. And actually, I'm excited because we're officially, after all this time, closing in some of the North Carolina properties that we're building out there. And again, it's also, if you're looking as an investor from another country and you're trying to get into the US, it's also about finding out where the population is going, where they're vacationing, especially if you're going to implement a short-term rental strategy. The other thing that's important too is being able to finish some of these properties correctly. And that's what I like about doing brand new construction is you're kind of starting from scratch and you get to pick some of the selections that are going to set you apart. What we wanted to do today is to take you to one of the higher end properties that is already finished, already furnished, and John was able to kind of guide the investor through the process of selections so that they can have not only a beautiful luxury home that they can benefit and enjoy, but also an oasis that they can actually rent on a regular basis. In fact, we're lucky to be here today because they're booked all the time, and today happened to be the one day that they didn't have any occupancy, so we had the opportunity to tour the property. So again, before we talk more strategies, what I want to do is just ask John to share with you what are some of the things that you did in this project to set it apart so that it would be such a marketable asset for these investors.
Right, so Rick, in this house, we put in the theme rooms that you guys will see, the Frozen room and the Star Wars room. They also had enough room in the design to put a hidden playroom in the Star Wars room. So that's not perfect for every house, but if you have the room and you can do it, you really hook the kids in. Like I say, if you hook the kids in, the kids are happy, they have the memorable experience, people come back, they don't just come back, they come back to your property, right? So in this house, there's lots and lots of upgrades, the theme rooms, and just to give you one example, this little charger / plug, we've got a few of those around, so people, you've got a lot of devices, you need to have the availability to charge everything. So if you've got multiple stations to charge your phones, some people don't think about that. We've got the quartz countertops, and then the furniture package is lovely. This house holds 28 people. So 28, you can have a family reunion, you can have a business meeting, go golfing, have some meetings, and there's plenty of room to do everything. You have 2 20-person tables. A game room. A lot of people put the game room in the loft area. Every house will have a loft for gaming. So we usually put 2 game systems, an Xbox and a PlayStation, depending on what the kids play. You cover everybody's bases. And then this particular house has a 3rd floor hot tub. So you want heads in beds to get that rental income. So if you spend a little money to do the theme rooms, it's all math. You have to do the math on the rental income. So
yeah, and what I like about this, obviously we've got some other partners we work with that the entire house is themed. What I like about it is you still have a luxury home. There's a lot of high-end finishes, right? So that more executives are more drawn to this type of house, but they also get to benefit from the actual amenities that you've also built into this place for the kids, for example, or the video games, and also the movie room that we just looked at. So I really love the balance in this property because it's luxury. It's a place that I would want to bring my family to hang out, but at the same time, it's got so many amenities that you know you're going to have a huge demand. And I noticed that the lot you selected here also happens to have some pretty cool access. So again, you were strategic with the lot location.
Yeah, and some of our houses are near the clubhouse, so people can walk, or a 1-minute ride to the golf, because this is the Reunion's got 3 championship golf courses, very golf centered, but 5 minutes from Disney World. So it's important to cover all the bases.
So as we recap, we've gone to a piece of land that's overlooking a beautiful golf course and talked about the strategies of what it takes. We've gone and seen actual project in hand that is being built in the process of construction. And then we've shown you the actual completed finishes of a high quality project with an alliance partner of ours. As you can see, it's all about being strategic, being thoughtful, and making sure that at the very end, you have a solid product. So as you, being the investor, are looking for ways to capitalize and leverage relationships, this is the perfect vehicle for you to join us and be a part of projects just like this. So we welcome you to join our group and be a part of the change.